Have you ever felt your money disappearing without knowing where it went? Payday comes and goes, and by the end of the month, you're out of money as usual? Don't worry. With just a simple method, you can completely control your wallet. And the great thing is, it only takes a few minutes each month. Today, let's explore the 50-30-20 rule, one of the simplest and most effective personal finance management methods today. Whether you are a recent graduate, an office worker, or even someone who already has a family, this rule is completely suitable and easy to apply. Now, let's explore how this rule works. You just need to divide your monthly income into 3 parts. First, 50% is allocated for essential needs. These are mandatory expenses that are indispensable in daily life, such as rent, food, utilities, insurance, transportation costs. In short, these are the things you need to maintain a stable and secure life. Next, 30% is allocated for personal needs. This portion helps you enjoy life, such as eating out, watching movies, shopping, traveling, playing sports, or other personal hobbies. Don't think that managing finances means completely cutting out these pleasures. In fact, the 50-30-20 rule helps you balance between saving and enjoying. Finally, the remaining 20% is allocated for savings and debt repayment. This is the most important part to protect your financial future. You will use this money to build an emergency fund, invest for profit, or pay off loans such as credit cards, student loans, mortgages, etc. The great thing is that this rule is very flexible and practical. You can completely adjust the ratio to suit your personal circumstances, as long as you maintain balance and discipline in spending. You might think, sounds good, but how do I know how much I've spent on each item? Don't worry. Nowadays, tracking expenses has never been easier thanks to smart financial management apps on your phone. These apps not only help you record every expense, but also automatically compile and analyze them so you can clearly see your financial picture. Below are the 3 best personal finance management apps that you should try. First is Mint, a classic app trusted by millions of users worldwide. Mint automatically links to your bank accounts, credit cards, savings cards, etc., continuously updates transactions, and clearly categorizes spending. You don't need to record each transaction. Just open the app and everything is ready. Mint also helps you set budgets for each category, alerts you when you overspend, and sends monthly financial reports with high-quality visuals. If you are someone who wants to proactively plan your spending and break free from the vicious cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, YNAB, short for You Need a Budget, is the ideal choice. YNAB helps you budget in advance, allocating every dollar of income to specific purposes. This app focuses on giving every dollar a job, so you always know exactly where your money is, what it is being used for, and can effectively plan your long-term finances. Finally, there is Rocket Money, a great app if you frequently use subscription services like Netflix, Spotify, educational or entertainment software, and more. Rocket Money will automatically scan all your subscriptions, helping you identify the services you no longer use, preventing you from wasting money on unnecessary things. Additionally, Rocket Money is a powerful tool to track your total monthly spending, providing saving suggestions and budget optimization. Just download one of these 3 apps on your phone, connect your bank account, and enter your transactions. Or let the app sync automatically. Everything is easy, fast, and you will have a personal financial assistant with you anytime, anywhere. You may not be used to tracking your spending yet, but think about this. If you don't actively manage where your money goes, it will definitely disappear without a trace. Personal financial management is not about restriction, but the key to unlocking a freer life, less worry, and more choices for the future. Let's start today with the 50-30-20 rule. Just spend a few minutes each month to compile your income, set a budget for each category, and track your spending using your favorite app. You will be surprised by the positive changes in your personal finances after a short time. Imagine this. At the end of the month, you no longer have to worry about where the money went, no longer have to count every penny, and no longer feel confused when you urgently need money, but your account is empty. Instead, you will be able to control every expense, feel confident in every financial decision, and gradually move closer to your own goals. Whether it's buying a house, traveling, investing profitably, or simply living more comfortably every day. Of course, not everyone can apply the 50-30-20 rule correctly from the start, especially when income is limited or living expenses are high. But remember, this is just a reference formula. The important thing is that you are aware of the necessity of financial management. Proactively allocate money according to your own priorities and maintain the habit of tracking monthly expenses. A small tip to get started more easily. If you are not familiar with budgeting, try recording all your expenses in the first month, then see what percentage each spending category takes up. From there, you can gradually adjust to get closer to the ideal ratio or find the ratio that best suits your circumstances. In addition, make the most of the features of the Financial Management app. Set savings goals for major plans, such as buying a car, traveling, creating an emergency fund. Receive alerts when exceeding the budget, view spending charts to identify wasteful habits, and regularly review monthly financial reports to assess progress. You can challenge yourself by gradually cutting unnecessary expenses in the wants category, or gradually increasing the savings and investment rate in the 20% category. Every small change contributes to making a big difference in the future. Remember, success in financial management does not come from leaps, but from steady, persistent steps every day. If you have ever failed at saving, give yourself a new chance with the 50-30-20 rule. Sometimes, all you need is a clear system, a supporting app, and a bit of determination to turn your desire to control your finances into reality. And don't forget, share your experience with the community. Which financial management app are you using? Have you tried the 50-30-20 rule yet? Leave a comment below. Let's learn and inspire each other on the journey to financial mastery. If you find these shares useful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to the channel to receive more tips on personal finance, positive thinking, and creating the most free and fulfilling life for yourself. Remember, a budget is not a limitation. It is the key that helps you expand your options, reduce worries, and enjoy life more. As long as you are proactive, everything can change for the better. Wishing you success on your journey to financial control, building a solid future, and living each day to the fullest.